Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use your coupons on Acbuy. So first thing that you do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then just type out and visit the Acbuy website. After that, you just have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up for one. After that, right here, we are just going to, look for an item that we can purchase. Okay, so take note as well that ASA Buy is a third party application. So they're just going to look for the product that will be delivered to your door. So their provider, we have 6 and 8 8 and Taobao. For example, we are going to purchase a mirror. So all you have to do is to tap on it. After that, you just have to look for the variant that you want to purchase and then the quantity of the product. Okay, after that, you just have to tap on the buy now option. Okay, so right here, if you can find um the coupons section where you can add your coupon, then you just have to tap on it. So let me just tap it right here, Philippines first. Okay, and then after that, you just have to tap on this box right here and tap on the submit option. And here on the pay for product section, you have to make sure that you include your coupon. So if your account is eligible to use coupon, then you'd be able to see that option right here. And then after that, you just have to choose your payment method. And then you just have to tap on the checkout option and confirm your address. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.